widespread protests over government job allocations turned brutal in Bangladesh, resulting in deadly clashes between demonstrators and security forces, injuring 1,500 people and leaving 105 dead. Protesters, mostly students, demanded a change to merit-based procedures but faced violent crackdowns, with demonstrators claiming that the existing reservation system benefits Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's Awami League political friends, which is the source of the turmoil. In response to the escalating tensions, the Indian government has quickly mobilized measures to ensure the safety and secure repatriation of its citizens, especially the 8,500 students and other 15,000 Indians living in Bangladesh. The situation has turned Dhaka into a focal point, prompting the government to send in armed troops and impose a curfew. Tensions have increased further due to arson assaults on government facilities and mass jailbreak, underscoring the seriousness of the situation. Meanwhile, under the direction of Minister S. Jaishankar, the Indian External Affairs Ministry has been closely monitoring the situation, collaborating with local authorities to ensure the safe return of Indian nationals. According to official sources, the Indian High Commission in Dhaka has safely deported 245 Indians, including 125 students as of Friday night. Amidst the chaos, further efforts have been made to assist 13 Nepali students. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma of Meghalaya stated that authorities have evacuated 405 Indian students via the Rocky Integrated Checkpost, emphasizing ongoing efforts to monitor and facilitate additional evacuations as necessary. Precautionary measures have been implemented to aid individuals returning to India, including providing medical treatment, food supplies, and security precautions. According to a statement from India's Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Randhir Jaiswal on Friday, Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar is actively monitoring the student protests in Bangladesh. Amidst the ongoing violence in Bangladesh, the MEA has issued a safety advisory for Indian people, particularly students, regarding what it considers a domestic concern of their country, urging Indian nationals in Bangladesh to avoid unnecessary travel amidst the protests, ensuring 24/7 helpline support from the Indian High Commission in Dhaka. The situation remains fluid, with continued assessments of safe passage for those seeking to return home. Amid the international concern, including statements from the United States advocating for freedom of expression, India has affirmed its stance that the situation is an internal matter for Bangladesh. Nevertheless, India remains committed to the safety and well-being of its citizens amidst the ongoing crisis. As Bangladesh works through this challenging time, concerns over possible escalation and long-term effects on governance and social stability loom large. It is imperative to initiate a national reconciliation and inclusive conversation to resolve long-standing grievances, as the unfolding crisis emphasizes. The events unfolding in Bangladesh pose a serious threat to regional stability and require immediate diplomatic action as well as international attention, and underscore the need for achieving stability through a peaceful settlement and coordinated measures.